He looked equally dashing in bold suit. Hulkenberg stole the show at the premiere of F1, the movie. After going braless in a daring outfit, the wife of Sauber star Nico Hulkenberg looked $1 million in an eye-catching ensemble on Monday. Hulkenberg stole the show at the premiere for F1, the movie. She wore a daring braless outfit on the red carpet. Is married to Sauber star Nico Hulkenberg. Looked equally dashing as he bared his chest. Turned plenty of heads as she left little to the imagination with a braless jacket and trousers combo. Hubby Hulkenberg was equally dashing as he showed off some chest in an open-button shirt and jacket, and the pair looked comfortable with the attention as they went on to watch the new F1 film starring Hollywood legend Brad Pitt. Fans reacted online, with one saying, "Speechless over the jacket." Another declared, "Best-looking couple." One noted, "Beautiful duo." Another added, "Both are stunning." Egil is a fashion designer who hails from Lithuania. She met German driver Hulkenberg in 2015 and they got married soon after. The couple share one child together, with Egil giving birth to their daughter in 2021. But they weren't the ones who lit up the red carpet yesterday. George Russell, Lewis Hamilton and Charles Leclerc led the other F1 stars out at Times Square in New York. There were also appearances from Pierre Gasly, Christian Horner and Toto Wolff, created in collaboration with the FIA. F1, the movie, sees Pitt play a veteran driver called Sonny Hayes, who is lured back into the sport to mentor a rookie prodigy. It was directed by Joseph Kosinski, the mastermind behind Top Gun, Maverick, and seven-time world champion. Hamilton was even brought in as a consultant to ensure that the end product was as realistic as possible.